y'all. Hey, I'm Shim of Shim So Creative, and I am here with an exciting unboxing. Now, it is kind of like partially unboxed because I did open like the package, but I haven't opened the box. So let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Here we talk about sewing, crafting, DIY, home projects, traveling, just all the things. So if you're into all the things, pole dancing, you're in the right place. But let's get into this box. Okay, so let's get into it. So I already like took out the other shell. It comes nice and protected, and I like that they have it so that the handle is out. So here it is. I have a Laura Star lift iron. So I actually won this from Classified or Janisha's page. She had a giveaway and I actually won. And the crazy thing is I kind of manifested this because I was like, I really need one of those irons. How am I gonna get one? The price point was a little bit out of my budget personally. And so I was like, how am I gonna get it? By the way, it matches my shirt today. Not on purpose, but look at that. So, and then I won the contest back in like April, I think. So I got it probably early May. It actually arrived. And yeah, let's see what's in here. Okay. So it's like crazy. The universe is listening, guys. All right. So it comes super packed. I'm gonna put this on the floor. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the chair because I'm old and I don't want to have to like bend over. But let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have this plate. I'm thinking this is like an attachment. We have a safety book. All right. So excited. Oops. Another booklet. Oop. And here she is. Let me step back. How cute! Ah, she's red. Let's get into that. Look at it. It's so pretty. And this comes in a ton of colors. So if red is not your thing, you can pick whatever color you want. Now, because it was a gift for me, I didn't necessarily get to pick my color. Here's a cartridge. So it purifies. Okay, so here is the little iron attachment. Let me push y'all back so y'all can see it. Okay, so I tried to push you back so you can see what I'm seeing a little bit better. So there's this part, let me see, that you actually iron with. It has a thing on it. So this has a nice weight. Like this is legit. This is a legit iron. I've been using my Liso Mini the past few days. This ain't no mini. This ain't no mini. So here is the iron. It has a nice weight on it. And then I guess this is, oh, this might just be a resting plate actually. Yeah, I think this is a resting plate so that you don't like, you know, lay it. You can have a nice place to lay it down. This might also be another resting plate. I don't know. I gotta read the instructions, but I think, oh, actually, no, that fits on. That snaps on. Okay. I'm making up stuff. This is probably like a Teflon plate or something like that if you need one attachment. And then here is like a resting plate for it. That's rubber that you can sit it on if you're like, you know, ironing on your table or somewhere that's not an ironing board, or your ironing board is really small. But that's it. So here is the tank. I'm pretty sure this is where you put the water in, the reservoir, and the steam comes out through the iron. So it looks like a pretty simple gadget. Let's see, there's a key here, so maybe that's to really get into it. Here's a power cord, and that's really it, y'all. That's really it to the packaging, but I'm really excited. So I am gonna do an iron demo for you guys. I'm about to go shopping, so I'm gonna come back and do the iron demo after I come back from shopping. But Thank you, Laura Star. Thank you, Denisha, for hosting the contest like this. I'm so geeked. Like, I sew a lot of garments. My iron actually broke. Let me show you guys. I've been holding on to this iron because my iron literally died. Let me show you. Yo, here's my iron. So this iron is old. It's about 25 years old. It's from the UK. But when I say I was ironing and it literally just fell apart, like it stopped steaming probably a month ago. And so I was just using a spray bottle. But y'all look, the dial fell off. Like it literally just broke while I was ironing. It looks like it just burnt out. Like, so this iron was like right on time because I got this iron probably when this one stopped steaming, but I was gonna wait until I like fixed up my sewing room and got everything really organized in here before I unboxed this, but now I need it. So here we are. I'm gonna do the demo, make sure the steam works, and yeah, so let's go and do the demo. Okay, so here is the iron. It's hot. It's sitting on its pad, and here is the shirt. So first, I'm just gonna iron it without the steam. And you can see, without me even like pressing, just running the iron back and forth. It's getting pretty. Now this is like button down fabric. So you know, this cotton, it can be a little tricky, but there's some steam action. I don't know if you should lift it when you steam it, because it did leave a little puddle. So let me press that. See how that does. Okay, I think if you lift it, it's probably, and I'm pressing both of them. I don't think you need to press both. Okay, yeah. So you can just press one. You'll still get steam. So anyways, this is my shirt. Now this is, you know, a shirt that probably actually needs some starch, but you can see like crease wise, like, so for a sewist, when you're trying to press your seams open, you can see that that's nice and crispy. So anyways, that's my review on the iron. Let's open up the crease. I'm trying to do this with like one hand, so we can see the crease. So there you see it. It does make a nice crease. So overall, I think it's a great iron, especially for sewists. Yeah, this shirt needs some starch. But I think it's great. I think it works really well, and I'm excited to use it on my projects. So let me finish ironing this shirt and actually using some starch with it. All right, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed unboxing this and going through it with you all. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.